Here is the old wooden cabinet with the beautifully carved details. It has a marble top, and the walls inside are also marble. I want to show you how you can brighten a piece of furniture, that it could bring a color and light to any home. As a base color, I am using the Burgundy Red chalk paint. It is a very rich color of a ripe, full-bodied French wine. I am applying just one coat of it, as the original color of the cabinet is dark, and it will go well with what I want to achieve. My next layer will consist of 3 colors. Stay tuned to watch how I am going to apply them. The Amsterdam green goes into the corners and the edges, and with the sea sponge I am applying a very thin layer of it. You see, the texture applied with the sponge is different to the one we normally apply with the brush. Then I am picking 2 more colors, the dark egg blue and the Provence chalk paint, and mixing them with a shower sponge. I am applying it more intense in the center and also slightly over the Amsterdam green. Then I pick some more of the Amsterdam green and blending the colors together. As you can see here, it is a lot easier to blend the colors this way, rather than using a brush. The result is different, each color visible, giving the surface a three-dimensional, deep look. In this project, I am using Annie Sloan Chalk Paint. Here, I want to show you how to use the same technique when there are a lot of the details. I'm applying the Amsterdam green randomly. Then, with the other 2 colors, I am concentrating more on the high points. And with the brush, reaching some narrow crevices, not all of them, as I want the mixture of the red and the green to be seen in the crevices. Then again, with the sponge, I am blending the paint together, but ever so slightly. My sponge is saturated with the paint, and I just spray it with water without adding any more paint to it. My next layer is the old white chalk paint, diluted with water really well. I want a very thin coat of it, just the traces of white, so I am adding a lot of water to the paint. I am applying it by the sections, then spraying with water and gently taking off the excesses with the kitchen paper. The old white chalk paint is different to the normal one, or as they call it, original white chalk paint. The old white is a very bright, almost sparkling, quite strong color, and it is getting even brighter when it is dry, so you have to be careful with this one. When it is all dry, I am sanding the surface with a fine sandpaper. And to seal the paint, I am applying the clear wax. I am not letting the clear wax dry before applying the dark wax and the Patina Gilding Wax. And to bring it all together, I am slightly brushing the low points with the brown wax, leaving the high points light and bright. And just remind you how it was before and how it looks now. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you again with my new fun project.